everybody and welcome to Gin Spoon's channel. Today you will see my recipe of roasted chicken with vegetables and few side dishes to serve aside. I advise to choose the best quality, free-range organic chicken for this recipe. With this video I wish to inspire you to create amazingly tasty dishes. First, cut a lemon in half and introduce it inside the chicken. Introduce some garlic as well. A little bit of butter. And few sprigs of thyme. Now you can finely chop the marination ingredients for the chicken. I started with spring onion, chop some garlic, chop a bit of thyme, add some paprika as well, some oil. I'm going to use the sunflower oil. Salt and pepper. Then rub the chicken very well. Cover with cling film and leave the chicken to rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can prepare the vegetables, cut some potatoes and boil them in the salted water, so later you don't need to add more salt on them. Prepare the oven to reach 180 degrees before you stick the chicken in it. Slice very finely some carrots. Do not cook potatoes completely because you will finish them later in a pan with butter and spring onion. The oven is hot, so it's time to drop the chicken inside at 180 degrees, covered with aluminum foil for about 40 minutes and then remove the foil. Cut now the veggies to be roasted into square pieces. We start with butternut squash. then shallot, cut some courgette, and a nice piece of aubergine. Peel now the asparagus and boil it for 1 minute. Quickly chop some spring onion that we are going to use on potatoes. Heat up the pan with a bit of oil. Toss potatoes to get a golden color. Add some butter and spring onion on the end. Alright, now so, okay. Bring the vegetables together with some olive oil, salt and pepper. Bun. Drop them in the tray and leave them in the oven for the last 25 minutes of cooking. Make now a side dish with pepper and lemon. Heat up the pan. Chop quickly some parsley. Drop the colorful peppers into the pan. Salt and pepper. A nice squeeze of lemon. In the same pan, you can make the carrots. Lay them over the peppers, a little bit of parsley, and extra virgin olive oil. Check now the chicken in the oven to make sure it's done. The asparagus side dish is very simple and fast to make it. Use a hot pan, olive oil and butter, salt, pepper, and that's it.